Hey YouTube. Today we're gonna be making a little YouTube video about how to clean your shoes. So I just watched a video of my own on this, and I followed the directions, went pretty well. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I did, because I kind of did an improvised version of what they did. So here's a before and the after. There's it's pretty yucky. Bottom of the shoe. I work at Cold Stone Creamery, so there's a lot of sprinkles and. Sorry to interrupt you over there. A lot of dirt on here. They're just old. Here's the finished product. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty fresh. Pretty clean. I like it. So what I did is I got some Tide, I got some Shout, and I got some water, and I mixed it about a quarter Tide, a quarter Shout, and then, and then about the rest was water. Mix it all together with this little guy right here, and that's just the solution I used to clean the whole shoe. And after using the toothbrush for a while, I realized I wasn't gonna cut it. Stopped by AutoZone, picked up, some higher quality utensils, and yeah, man, just go for it. That's about it, man. Hey guys, so I just got finished doing the other one. I didn't show you the bottom before, but there's a whole bunch of ice cream on it. Looks kind of bad right now because of the pollen on there, but looks a lot better than it did, and I'm happy with that. So yeah, man, time to get some new shoelaces. Probably around here tomorrow, and then my job will be done, man. Well, I gotta let them dry too, but I'll give y'all an update whenever they're dry. Thanks for watching my vlog, YouTube. I think I'm gonna go wash my car now.